On a dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of colitas rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my side grew dim. I had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway. I heard the mission bell, and now I'm thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor. Thought I had this say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely face. There's plenty of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. And man is Tiffany twisted. She got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys that she calls friends. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called to the captain, please bring me my wine. He said, we haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Waking up in the middle of the night just to hear this say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely face. They're living it up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise, what a nice surprise. Bring you all about. Mirrors on the ceiling, the patient pen on ice. And she said, we are on just prisoners here of wrong divides. And in the master chambers, they gather for the feast. They stab it with their steely knives, but they just can't kill the beast. Laughing, I remember I was running for the door. I had to find my passage back to the place I was before. Relax in the night, man. We are programmed to receive. You can check out any time you like, but you can never leave.